measurement. You okay standing there for your dad? Okay. So the first thing we need to do is have her set her pelvis somehow. So we kind of saw that functional leg length discrepancy. The pelvis is all cattywampus if she comes in and goes, oh look, my legs are 2 different lengths. I don't know why, right? And we go, well, let's start with setting your pelvis and see how that goes. So the first thing we're gonna have you do is bend both your knees up and do kind of like a bridge. Yep, lift your pelvis up and then just set it back down and lower your legs down. Whoa, miraculous, that happened, okay? Another way you can do that is give a little bit of traction, long axis traction to both legs. The other thing I'm doing when I give her long axis traction is I'm looking at her malleoli to see if they're close or not close or what's going on. So I put my thumbs right on her medial malleoli and just give her a little bit of traction. Kind of level out her pelvis. And I'm looking. Now when I look at my thumbs, they're pretty even, and so I wouldn't bother measuring her. If I looked at my thumbs and I saw that first thing, I'd go, whoa, those are off. I think I'll measure that, okay? So they're not, but we'll measure it anyway. The way that we measure is from the ASIS to the medial malleoli. Now if your patient has a little more adipose tissue or other things going on in the mid-region, it is acceptable to do the ASIS to the lateral malleolus, but generally we do it to the medial. We're measuring in centimeters. And again, you may, is it okay if I touch your hip bones? Okay. So you may need to tell your patient or ask your patient where those are. They'll help you find them. I'm putting this on 0 and I'm just measuring down to her medial malleoli. And I got 77 centimeters, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I got 77.5. Okay? So normal is within 1 centimeter. That half could be anything. It could be error, my error. I didn't get it exactly the same ½ centimeter on her ASIS on the other side as this side, okay? She's gonna go home and get a ½ centimeter shoe lift now because I feel lopsided. Okay, so do those 4.